Hey girl, hey, let's make some dinner. We're doing turkey wings tonight, so let's get right into it. So I went ahead and cleaned my turkey wings off camera. I got like a pound from the meat market. I'm going to drizzle them with a little sunflower oil, Worcestershire sauce, and then season them with seasoning salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and just like a few like garlic herb blends and stuff that I have in my cabinet. I'm seasoning generously, and then I'm going to go ahead and give everything a good mix and make sure all the wings are coated. Next, I'm going to take some onion and bell pepper and put that on the bottom of a baking dish, place my wings on top, and then foil and in the oven on 375 for about an hour. I'm also doing some greens, but I am not your grandmother, so I'm using these bag greens. I like the collard mustard and turnip mix. Chef's kiss. These bags do be having a lot of stems sometimes, so I do go in and pick them out, and I also give them a good rinse. I started boiling some smoked turkey necks off camera, so now I'm going to add some diced onion to that, some garlic, and then I'm going to add in my clean greens, and then I'm going to season with seasoning salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I also like to add in some crushed red peppers and some vinegar, some chicken broth, and then I cover on medium heat until my greens get nice and tender. In the same bowl that I seasoned the wings in, I'm going to add some garlic, Worcestershire sauce, chicken broth, and cornstarch to make a slurry. After an hour, I'm going to remove my turkey wings and add the slurry and make sure just to baste them good, and then cover and put back in the oven for about another 30 minutes, and then I remove the foil and then uncover for 30 minutes, and this is how they look. I also made some white rice to go with this, so I'm just going to ladle that over the white rice with my greens and bone apple tea.